Hello YouTube and welcome back to an edition of
Canvas Can.
I am your host Canvas and this is
Monkeyboy.
So we've been trying to figure out over the last couple months since we've been making videos on how we can make the batteries last longer on our gear. If you've ever used a GoPro with the old Wi-Fi, you'll notice that the batteries run out stupid fast on your camera as well as on your video, on your phone device, whatever you're using to do that. So I was up in Oklahoma City a couple months ago and I ran into a guy named 42 Fab. I'll leave a link in the description down here and I'll leave the card up here that talks about of his channel. Anyways, he uses what is called a USB adapter by Dewalt. Oh, I can't read that. My spectacles, my safety glasses on. So he uses the USB power source by Dewalt, and the part number is DCB090. What's really cool about this is it has two USB ports. And you're like, well, Canvas, how does that work? Well, you take it, you plug it in a DeWalt battery that actually slides on, locks it into place, tells you how much battery life you have. But what's also really kind of cool is that I can plug two
things in there. So we could be charging our phone and you could be charging your phone or whatever your device is using, and you can be charging your GoPro at the same time.
Or you can use it as a constant supply
of battery
for both your iPhone and your GoPro. So now you have, I won't say unlimited, but you'll have a vast, greater ability to use your camera and your phone to make videos with. Again, this is something that I didn't invent or create or even had the thought of, because I kept having to change out that battery every time the battery went dead. And then you had to have the batteries stored up, and then you had to have X amount of batteries to keep swapping over. And then you figure out you didn't charge all your batteries when you're supposed to charge your batteries, and guess what? Now we have no batteries, you have no batteries, we can't make videos, or you lose that key shot because the battery died, you didn't know the battery died. This way, we don't have to ever worry about it. Monkey, what do you think?
I think that it's awesome. I think that whoever had this thought was really smart.
That would be 42 Fab had that thought.
Oh really? He actually designed that?
Well, he didn't design it, but he took it and he incorporated into it. And I'll leave a couple links, a couple of his videos in the tag up here where you can actually kind of see where it's working on it. He's got a couple of these that are made up. He's got one on his tripod for his camera that it runs, and he's also got one set up for his actual GoPro that is on, that he moves around throughout his shop. So it's a really cool little concept, and I saw that and I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. This right here cost me $29.99 at your local Lowe's. I looked at Home Depot, they didn't have it, but I know Lowe's carries it. You can also get it on Amazon. I'd leave an Amazon affiliate link, but they done turned me off. So I will find a link for one of my friends' Amazon pages so that at least they get credit for it. But hey, that's all we've got for today. Again, it's a real short, simple video on how to improve your battery life on your camera, your GoPro camera, or even if your camera charges from a USB adapter, you can plug it in via that way and just go with it, and you won't have to worry about it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good time, and thank you for spending your day with us. Just remember, if Canvas can, you can. What's the worst?
Yeah, take a shot. Okay. Oh, and I got my cast off too.
Monkeyboy got his cast off. His fingers work just fine. Going back to wrestling tomorrow. So, anyways, stay tuned for more videos coming up in the next in our future. You'll probably see this in a couple more videos. I know you've seen it at least in the last two videos that I have put out. There is one thing that I did use here. I have a flexible neck that I can position the camera. However, it's kind of wonky at times, but you got to get it just right, or if not, it falls over. But anyways, I usually use it with a. I have a little mini tripod that I put my GoPro on, so that allows me to set it up and get that right perfect shot. And you can run, when you're running your Wi-Fi as well as the recording, it actually works pretty good. So again, rate, comment, and subscribe. Again, we're working towards our 1,000 giveaway. I have no idea what that's going to be. I have no idea when that's going to be, but Monkeyboy and I are working on requirements to get entered into that and what the actual giveaway thing is going to be. So you'll just have to stay tuned. Anyways, thank you for joining us today. Hope you guys had a blessed day and enjoy your time with your family. Here in North Texas, it's been raining the last 2 weeks, which is great. Our grass is green, but now it needs to be mowed, and we've got 10 acres to mow, which takes about 8 hours to mow. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyways, thank you and have a wonderful day.
Comment and subscribe. Leave a like or a dislike. Tell us why you liked it or why you don't like it.
And what else can they put in the comment section?
How to get better.
How to get better, or future video content that you'd like us to see. Real quick, the way forward on our channel is we're still going to do DIY stuff, rebuilding. We got some bicycles that we're going to be rebuilding, but
That's what I'm excited for.
then we're also going to be doing some welding. We're going to get back at the shop and do some welding now that it's not 150 degrees outside. We've also going to start doing some woodworking. Monkeyboy's going to start learning how to do some woodworking. I'm going to find the scroll saw, break the scroll saw out. He's going to do some scroll sawing. We got some new toys out in the shop that we're going to be playing with over the next couple weeks, months, years. So stay tuned. It's going to be a variety of stuff that we've got coming out. Anyways, thank y'all. Have a great day and see ya. Anything else?
Nope.
You sure?
I'm sure. What do you have in mind?
I don't know. I think we need to go play some video games.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go play video games.
You actually leave that in there?
Yeah.